You found your dream home. Let your dreams become a reality in this jaw-dropping home nestled in Fox Hall Subdivision in Senoia. This home has elegance and openness that aims to please. Welcome to Fox Hall. The French door entryway welcomes you from all angles. The Coffered ceiling in the dining room makes for a perfect setting for love and laughter with family and friends during holidays and special occasions. This home features an open floor plan with handsome hardwood floors, Coffered ceilings, and a large family room with tons of natural light and a brick and mortar fireplace. You can stay connected with family in the kitchen as you prepare gourmet meals fit for royalty and serve those meals on an extended granite countertop island. And when you're all done, retreat to the extra spacious owner's suite fit for all your king-size furnishings on the main level. Its bathroom has a custom tile glass shower and a spa-like tub for soaking away the day's care. You'll look forward to retiring to this suite every night. And there's an additional private bedroom suite on the main level to accommodate more guests and other residents. The remaining living quarters are tucked away upstairs in their own private chambers. This fourth room can be accessed by going through a private sitting area large enough to hold a love seat and entertainment center. Once through the seating area, you will be left in awe of this spacious room with an ensuite. Want a little more time with each other? Gather in the bonus room for movie night or billiards. And if that's not your thing, make this bonus room whatever you want. And if you prefer outdoor entertainment, we'll head on outside to the covered patio with a wood-burning fireplace. It doesn't get any better than this. This home is located just minutes from Downtown Senoia, home of The Walking Dead. You can visit Walking Dead scene sites, restaurants, and shopping all over town.